everybody. Today I am going to show you how to make an origami duck. And this model is a easy model. So you're going to start with a square piece of origami paper. You're going to fold it in half, bringing one corner to the opposite corner, like that. Just like that, okay? Now, you're going to unfold that and rotate your model and fold the other corner down to the opposite corner, like that. Okay? Now, the next thing that you are going to do is you're going to keep that down, and you're going to fold these edges of your triangle to the center crease. And make sure that they are aligned with the center crease. Okay, and you're going to do this to both of them. Just like that. Okay. Then you are going to take this and open it up. Just like that. And you're going to do this on both sides. Just like that, okay. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to fold your model in half. Just like that. Okay. Now, the next thing that you're going to do is you're going to take this and you're going to pinch your model right there. You're going to take this part and you're going to try to fold it upwards. This is going to form the head. Now, this takes a little bit of maneuvering to get right, but just pull it outwards, and I'd say about there. That's probably a good spot. Okay? Now, the next thing that you are going to do, you're going to take this part of your model and fold it downwards. This will form the wings of your duck. Okay, so the next thing that you're going to do is take this corner, fold it down to form the tail, and then open up the neck and fold it outwards like that. This will form the head. So just open it up and fold it in half. Fold the neck in half like that. Okay. And now, the next thing that you're going to do is open this up and fold it in and then back out. And there you have a duck. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, you might want to check out some of my other origami videos. Also, if you go to paperfoldingfun.com, you can find printable PDFs and instructions for all of these. You can print off and have portable copies of how to make all these awesome origami models. So definitely go visit paperfoldingfun.com and check out some of my other origami models and watch some more videos, learn some more origami, and have a good day. Bye!